What's up everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing the PR16 voice amplifier. So let's get started unboxing. Oh, look how nice this is. Sleek and compact. Look at that. So you got the on off right here, TF card, DC 5 volt, USB port. You got a mic port as well. They also supply you with a microphone as well, strap, USB cable. Let's turn this on and test it out. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Get the mic out here. They also supply a second sound denser. So let's go ahead and plug this in. So you can use this at different events, parties, anywhere and everywhere. Testing. Alright. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Everybody, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing. Alright guys, so this is actually really nice. You definitely can speak a lot louder, and we're going to go pretty far away, and you guys are still going to be able to hear us. We're going to go down our steps, and as you guys can still hear, hello everyone, welcome back. So welcome back to the TV show. We are about to show you guys, we are now downstairs in our lower room, so we're a whole room away. So welcome back everybody. I hope you can enjoy. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's come back now. So as you guys could hear, you could hear this from very far away. So this would make for a great announcer, amplifier, or wherever you are for whatever event you are at. So as you can see here, you guys have record. So you can record. You have different modes here. Bluetooth. You have radio as well, guys. So let's go over here. So overall, this works great. I think you guys will like it.